How to manage save and fill addresses on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage save and fill addresses on Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Chrome and click these 3 points here. Click on it and then click settings, and now you'll find addresses here. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just find this one and turn it off if you want to turn it off, and if you want it just click here, and as you see, save and fill addresses, turn it on. And that's how to manage save and fill addresses on Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.